Ever wondered how financial stability is achieved? It's like building a house. Imagine your financial life as a house. You wouldn't start by building the roof, would you? No, you'd begin with a strong foundation, and in the world of finance, that foundation is built on saving and budgeting. It's about understanding where your money is going and making sure you're saving a portion of every paycheck. But a house needs more than just a foundation. The walls represent the next step: investing and growing your wealth. This might involve stocks, bonds, real estate, or other types of investments. It's about making your money work for you. Finally, the roof. This represents protecting your wealth and planning for the future. It might involve insurance, estate planning, or setting up a retirement account. So, the first step in building a financial house is to lay a strong foundation. Let's dive into the process, starting with the foundation. Think of your financial house just like a real one. It needs to be built on solid ground. That's where saving and budgeting come in. By setting aside a portion of your income and managing your expenses, you're laying the groundwork for your financial future. Next, we move on to the walls of your financial house, which are made up of investments. These could be anything from stocks and bonds to real estate or even your own business. The key is to diversify, spreading your investments across different areas to balance out the risks. Finally, we reach the roof, which is your future planning. This includes retirement plans, insurance, and estate planning. It's about protecting your financial house from life's unexpected storms. Each step is crucial, and skipping one can lead to a shaky financial structure. And that, friends, is how you build a financial house. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Building a strong financial house is like constructing a real house. You start with a solid foundation, which is your emergency fund. Then you build the walls, which are your investments and savings. And finally, you secure the roof, your insurances that protect you from financial storms. This step-by-step process ensures your financial stability and growth. Remember, a strong financial house is built step by step. It's never too late to start building yours. Thank you for tuning into this video and showing your support for self-education and lifelong learning. If you found this content valuable, please take a moment to show your appreciation by giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. We love creating content that is both informative and engaging, and we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us create videos that you'll love. If you're interested in learning more about this topic or related subjects, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You'll find a wealth of information that will help you on your journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.